What is up, guys? Cosmic Contender here for another video on how to make an RTS within Godot, similar to Age of Empires and Warcraft. So to get started, we're going to create a new project. I'm going to call it RTS tutorial. Create the folder, and as this is loading, I'm going to let you know that I did borrow some insight from Kids Can Code. But for now, we're going to do my method, and then as the tutorial goes on, I'll improve my code using what Kids Can Code on his website did, so you can understand the process of how iterating on your game grows. So we're going to add a 2D node, call it world, save it, save, add a tile map. All right. Now, I am providing some free assets for this, so there's an RTS assets, and I'll provide this link in the description below. It's on my itch.io page, but in there contains my RTS assets, which are just two pictures. All right, so with our tile map, we're going to add a tile set inside of here. So tile map, hit there, create new tile set. Then down here, click tile set, go to ground. Yes. All right. Now we want to go back to tile map, select all four, hit random, go to project settings, and then we want to set the window to 480 by 270, and also our viewport, our mode, stretch mode to viewport. Okay, so this will make it better for pixel art. Now what we have are four, and there are random. We want to go here and make a huge box right there. Hit play, select current, open, looks beautiful. All right. Now let's create a new scene. We're going to create a character body 2D node. We use, call it unit. This is complaining, saying it needs a collision shape 2D. And a collision shape needs a shape. So we'll just add a circle for now. Save our unit. Add a sprite 2D. As well as an animation player. Okay. All right, drag our wizard PNG here onto our sprite 2D. So you notice there's 8 frames and they're stacked on top of each other. So we need to go to animation. So there's 4 frames horizontally, 2 frames tall. So now that sets it. Zoom in, we have our thing here. So let's get rid of that blur. Go to project settings. Go to rendering textures, nearest, close, and that fixes the blur with the pixel art. Now, let's use this animation player. I'm going to go an idle as well as a running. We're going to set running to 0.6 and idle to 0.8. And down here, the snap will be at 0.2. Go click here on your sprite 2D. As you see, there is a keys to add. So make sure you want to click on animation player, then your sprite 2D to get these to appear. Hit 0, hit the plus key, and that'll be the first frame. Then we can zoom in and see it a little bit better. Again. So we want, this is frame 0, frame 1, frame 2, frame 4. Okay. Then we want this to loop. So make sure it's a blue arrows going around. Make this default. Hit play. And his head just bobs and goes up and down. Go to our running. We want to start again at the beginning. We want to go to frame 4. Hit plus, create. then frame 5, frame 6, frame 7. And one thing I did not do, so we're going to learn how to do, is I want to make this every 0.5. So now we can drag these, and these will be on the right frames. All right, that's fixed. Make this loop, hit play, and they're running. Awesome. Let's add a script or unit. We have a var, and we're going to make this exportable. Var of speed is equal to 100. All right, as well as var target is equal to null for now. And then func underscore physics process. And we want to move towards where we click. So let's also we'll do pass for now and handle the, this is bugging me down here, so I'm gonna pause. Func underscore input event if event is action pressed, and we're gonna do set target. And for now, pass, because we need to add this event. So go to our project settings, go to input map, set target, add. We add it here, click here, then listen, hit OK. We want left mouse button, close, and then target is equal to event dot well, what we could do is, I think there's event dot. Let's check this out because it's not appearing. Dot. We'll just do it this time. Get global mouse position. All right, hit play. Oh, we need to add our unit. Oh, we didn't done this at all. Let's then add our movement part to this. If target not equal to null, then velocity is equal to our target equal to position dot direction to target, after which you want to then set our velocity is equal to velocity dot normalized times our speed, and then enter move glide velocity times our delta, save, and if velocity is not equal to vector 2.0, then we want to get our animation player reference so we can click on it and drag it in, hit play, running, else we want our animation player play idle. Alright, let's go and see if this works. Oh, we need to add our, I keep forgetting. We need to add our unit to the scene. For some reason, we add it to the scene, hit play. Alright, so now when we click, he moves, and he's kind of wigging out because he's not stopping. The target is never null. So let's see. We can fix it later on in the next video on how to stop that. But for now, this is how we're going to handle moving our character around. But in the future, we're actually going to be using the world or another node that will be the parent controlling multiple units. Because if for now, if we add multiple units, hit play, so you can't even see them right now because they're all stuck in top of each other. So let's delete a couple. Don't know why it's giving me that because I've never seen that before. So let's play. They're gonna move. But start bumping into each other because they have collisions. But that's for now what we're gonna do with our movement scripts. If you enjoyed the video or if you have any questions, please leave a comment. And if you want to see anything else other than moving units around and putting buildings down, please let me know. I'll add it towards our tutorial, but that's the plans for now. Thank you so much and have a great day.